Hello viewers, this is Ganesh Rahman. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today's video is how I make the beef kebab or Shami kebab or Tikia. Everybody is known by different name, but it's all are same. So I'm gonna share with you how I make this and how makes this so yummy and so delicious. Let's get started. First, I'm going to cook the meat with the lentil. Here I took around 3 pounds of beef. Next, I'll take the split chickpeas or chana dal or butter dal. I'm gonna add a pinch of meat tenderizer because to see this meat is too dark red color, that means it's old cow, so I'm not gonna take a risk. That's why I add the meat tenderizer, because it's gonna be take a long time to get soft. You can use papaya paste instead of meat tenderizer, that also work. Salt to taste. Here is about 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste for cooking. I also add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Here's my husband add 2 bay leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. He added around 4 to 5 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now I set my pan on the burner to cook meat and lentil with all the seasoning, and add 1 cup of water to boil them up. Here is the meat and lentil. All is getting cooked and soft enough. I'll set them aside until they get chilled enough. After that, I grind them in the grinder. If you like, you can use mortar. Next, I'll add around 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, half tablespoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of tasting salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, green chili slices depends on how you like, fried onion. I crush them and drop it into my bowl. For this cooking project, I use 4 eggs. 2 I drop into the bowl, and another 2 I'll use it for coating. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and half tablespoon of garlic paste. First, I'm gonna use 2 spoons to do upside down, and then I'm gonna use my hand. I mix them properly, and now I take a little portion and make it round flat size. I do this process one by one. First, I make it a shape for all the kebabs. First, I drop 1 kebab in an egg bowl to make it first coat, and then straight to the breadcrumb for the top coat. Here is all the kebabs are ready to fry. For the frying, I took a fry pan and set it up in my burner, and I added almost half frying pan of oil. So my kebabs are gonna be stay half in a oil and half top of the oil. Fry them until they go light brown and then flip it up for the other side. Here is all the kebabs are done. Then I took one by one and drop it into a paper towel. Once I saw the paper towel suck all the excess oil, then I transferred them in a serving dish. Here is all the kebabs are ready to serve. This is the easy way you can make kebab at home. The kebab has a lots of steps to do it, but the really great benefit is you can take a break and take your time to do your next steps, and there is not gonna be any problem to making those kebab. If you make the kebab a lot, you can freeze them for a month in a freezer. There is not gonna be any problem. I hope you guys like my video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel for next cooking video. Thank you.